Hello and you are welcome back to my channel. I believe you are doing great. So today we are making some egg and plantain frittata. So I'm using vegetables of my choice: sausage, egg and plantain. So I'll just proceed by slicing my plantain since I've already peeled it. I'm done with the slicing. I'll give it some salt and then fry it, which I will be setting aside. And guys, I went by the shape I like. You can slice it in any shape of your choice. So this is your girl Miss Ruth as usual, and if this is your first time on this channel, you are most welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and let's keep winning together, since we belong to the winning family and we are destined to win. So if you want to win, join us and let's win together. So as you can see, the plantains are frying on fire. Yeah, so I'm done frying and I'll be setting it aside just like I said, and continue by stir frying my vegetables. Yes, and please don't forget, I said I'm using vegetables of my choice. So you can also use vegetables of your choice. And I'm not using a lot of tomatoes. This is because I don't like so much tomato in this kind of things. Yes, I feel like it makes it watery. So I don't like a lot of tomato in it. As a matter of fact, when I'm frying egg, I don't add tomatoes, because it makes the egg very watery, which I don't like. But if you are cool with a lot of tomatoes, that's fine, you can add it. Okay, so I'll be giving it some pepper for heat, but it is not very necessary, so it can be ignored. And you can also give it any season of your choice if you want, but trust me, it still tastes great without seasons. Yeah, so my vegetables are ready. I'll be adding them to the eggs and then give it some salt and a gentle whisk, because my vegetables are already a little bit soft, so a whisking has to be gentle. So I'm giving it salt to taste, my taste, so please give it salt to your taste. And I'll be transferring it back into the saucepan. Then arrange my plantains, my fried plantains on it beautifully. Then cover it up and then cook it on a very low heat, because if the heat is high, if it's been cooked on a high heat, it will end up burning. So here we go, the frittata is ready. Come and let's enjoy. Thank you so much for staying with me till now. Don't forget to subscribe, and then after my next upload, the Lord be with you. Bye.